nigga that can make your pussy wetter. Yeah, give me the bitch when I make you gon' drive it up. Yeah, give me the bitch when I make you gon' drive it up. Girl, back me down, we laid in the cut, gon' head lift it up. Got my hand on the butt. Girl, you put on the magic card. You know T-Ross superstar.
Oh, blah. Easy. That dance these days, I use that for club, eh?
Which
one? How did they walk? I don't do for corner like this. I don't like. They look me. What's wrong with this?
If they go ask you what you do, what you go.
I have to flog imaginary somebody.
Okay.
Now for my mind. But you got to take the walk. See this new film now, 50 Shades of Grey. That's movie now. They promote violence. You know when they do torchlighting by force in a violent way. Very, very what kind of movie like this? Because I don't know how people all wake up and say, okay, now violence, now torture, now they switch them. Torture. When you don't bend the head like this, match her like this, carry leg up, do this or put plier for ear, bite in nose. Say, he they switch me die. Yeah? But you don't be everybody they do that kind of thing for.
No.
The guy would go take flog the wrong babe. She go break bottle for your head. What's wrong with you? Shook all your ear for you like this. All right, we'll see the welcome on our still the late night show. Now be this one, and they say biggest welcome to all of Una. Today we get enough performance in the building. And they always tell young people, see, discover yourself. No go chook hand for some kind of things that will go make you miss road for life. Izzy Beat, you don't smoke Igbo before?
No, never smoke Igbo.
No lie, you get the lips. Your lips like burnt offering. You say, get up, you take you smoke, your lips go play like tire. Your lips, go strong, black. One of my friends that year, they give me the gist now, Odogu. He say, one of the guy, they tell him, say, come, long man, say, look. No, they smoke this, he go disturb your life, he go destruct your life, and he go disfigure your life. The boy don't agree. Along the line, come go do conductor work.
Okay.
As he do conductor work, the shadow Ojo Legba. Normally, if they go back of the bus, go collect just one small one. It don't finish. But this time, now they will take the work sometimes. Can go advance and say, maybe buy jumbo size. As he collect jumbo size. Ojo Legba. Can go back of the bus, can go do. As he finish it, boom, you see a tire head. He reboots the system. The boy can't come back. Kaduna. As the driver here, Kaduna, for inside your Ojolegba bus. Now he comes and say, what's wrong to you for my boss? Kaduna. I tell you they go nuts. Hey, Boko boys for what? And the guy look, say, this thing not be for small boys. It's not for small boys. Now for mature people like us, you can't collect out. Because give me this thing. What's wrong with you? Come the shadow your own. Oh, Ojolegba, don't mind this useless boy. Oh, Ojolegba. Now you can't go back of the bus, go find out. Do smoke, chop the chief in this. He own, not only go inside his head, he go in destiny. Destroy everything, pour. He can come back, they shout, Germany, Dubai! Germany! All right. So I beg all our young people waiting for that. I beg make sure say una no chook una hand for anything we go disturb una life at all. All right. Now, quickly. Like I told you earlier, we get some guys that will go enter inside the studio. They don't already deal with me for the studio now. But as the show they progress, we make sure say they give now every because entertainment now will be the thing we won't carry give now on top of the show, on top of the late night show. All right. So no darling. We know so that don't go work, come back. Now to make everybody come relax now. All right. So my first guest for the day. My first guest, like I talk when we start the show, I see these guys for the first time, and I did highly amazed. Say human beings go feel they do this thing with these boys that they do. That they bend body like wire. Even me, I they chalked. Whether these boys they get ribs, do they have a spinal cord? What's wrong to them? But I can't go all the way, go harass them, enter inside the show today. Ladies and gentlemen, there'll be two correct guys. And I'll mention their name one by each. Or make I just call them collectively as their name to be. Ladies and gentlemen, that may help me put our hands together as I welcome DR. Focus on these guys there. Correct guys. All right, this one they form humility like this now. They form humble. I know say no humble anything. No humble fire. Forget it, they talk about this one.
Only when we enter the realm.
Which realm? Like Igbo realm?
No. That stage realm, conceptual realm, you understand? When we start to bend our body.
They bend body. Seriously, the first time I see you now, I did for one somewhere. I did go submit something somewhere. I did for one show. As soon as for stage, they do things. I say, all these guys, they get anything for body at all.
Sure.
Which time when I discover this thing for myself?
Nah,
Like,
during young age.
And this one, you talk young age. I can't talk like, say, you don't reach like 57. Which one, you don't old, I be, I say young somebody. What's wrong to you?
Young somebody.
Young, like, young somebodies.
Yeah. Somebody's, exactly.
Somebody's.
Exactly.
Yeah, like, okay, maybe talk, say, from my own side, like, we discover them individually.
Okay.
You understand? Like, from my own side, I would say, like, 9 years now.
9 years
Yeah, I
now.
know the band body for 9 years.
Child.
Like, 9 years professionally. So, we can't jam each other 4 years back now.
Hey,
Yeah,
it just be like, you know, say when people they smoke cigar, they don't know themselves. Oh. They don't need to you also when you come into, well, you get lighter. From nowhere, they always know their same. Like the cigar they smell for their skin. Say, oh my God, oh my God. So this one I take discover on herself like this. Now don't look, say, like say there's a connection somewhere in the ministry.
Yeah.
You call when your own contact discover.
Now for school, same 9 years back also.
9 years back too.
Yeah.
Hey.
So now mistake. I go one event, so I see on the perform for stage 4 years back. So
Okay.
I just after in performance, I just meet and follow and talk. So from there.
Because we start every.
Yeah.
Okay, before I continue with the rest now, because you say some of us don't dance for this life before. As in, we've had dance for years. Izzy Beat go tell you.
I did tell you.
See Izzy Beat like this, He don't dance, he dance, all in nippy. If they do stunts now, they use head, they stand, they do everything. He said they continue that thing now. Or the good for not day head now for using head stand.
Get by head.
For not get steady. But you know, we know the attention they take be, especially for the women's side. Well, that they go say, man, people the way they dance, they sabi, you know, swim. When I mean swim, I mean and some things they will not use your mouth talk. You understand me now? But on top of that level now, how I think they handle women? Because they feel that they're flexible. Wow! they are flexible. And they'll see them as sabi do this. How I think they handle that level?
Actually, maybe no like we they see girls like women they come like
women self join.
No.
I beg you. When I don't carry now, I'm pass this boy, so anything can happen.
Wait, make I finish now.
Oh, yeah,
the way they attack me.
No, sorry, don't mess.
Okay, like women are talk as in girls generally. Okay. So like our own age, we not they allow the big ones they come.
So they apply, sha.
Then they apply, but we not they receive.
So that they receive the younger ones.
No,
you are bad boys.
No.
I talk out. I'm not humble at all. I get somebody.
If we receive, it will affect.
If we receive, it will affect our ministry.
So
we
decline.
They decline.
Mona show me inside, so this one say that affect me. Izzy Beat. Maybe that make people never blow for this one. So they accept. They collect things. You can't they affect your ministry. How do I want to they affect? I don't understand. Say when you don't swim, you can't come out, you can't get power. I mean, I say now Samson.
If you don't swim,
if
they come out some things for body where they make it they bend.
Oh,
and
carbohydrates and protein.
Like that something O2 they happen. That kind of something O2 they happen.
But that Samson, oh my brother, make I tell you true. It's not 12 na be Samson. They don't go just barb your hair or this so hair that kind of. They go shave your armpit, shave the whole day for down, shave all the hair in your body. You can't be like chicken with the wall. Just do barbecue. But seriously, female, your own side don't call. Same thing as in want to handling every. But go on to this contortionist thing because some people don't think contortion be. Yeah. Some people don't know. For those of now, no worry. Before they come up for here, they go do that thing inside studio here. All right, those to entertain all of us at the same time. But quickly, what you go talk about that level of art inside this country? Because some people they look say, man, as you say, this kind of thing what they do, not be everybody they appreciate them. You understand? Some people feel there now they watch you. They sabi do this thing, but they say, I beg, make I go do fine bank job do. You get how it don't be for now so far? Okay.
So far the thing don't really help both of us in different ways, which some other people they see them as jobless thing when we they do them. That's basically Nigerian mentality to some things. So overseas, it's like work for them, now job for them naturally. They sleep for studio, they do them. Wake up for studio, they do them. Now it's in they take job. So we see say the thing not really they work well for Nigeria like that. So we decide to pick them up. We'll do justice to them. for Nigeria to make people really see, say, okay, something else they different from music, they different from dance. Exactly,
because right now for the entertainment sector, the only way we go fit take, set yourself apart and to do something different. You always need to go do something different.
So now our mission be that to do something different from the normal things where people they do, and to make them see, say, something different
on board.
Where if you make things happen well.
Internationally, how the acceptance don't be? Because I know say this kind of thing a very rare thing. Yeah, well, don't worry, we'll go see show now. We'll go show all this one they talk now. Now I can't know why they talk this plenty talk. Because some people parents go they watch say, ha! When they see where people they bend hand, turn around the waist, enter here, they say, how far now? What's up? You understand? But still on still that particular, because now we'll perform anytime from now. But on the last P now, on the final G's basis, I know say DR. Okay, individually self, make we who be Richy, who be Dr. Flex. Okay. D-Flex, I say Dr. Flex.
Now be D-Flex.
Now be D-Flex,
yes,
now be Richy.
So talk DR.
DR, yeah, D-Flex Richy.
D-Flex and Richy.
D-Flex and Richy. Deflectors. But anyways, any which ways, we'll now perform for us now. Okay, and then from there we'll go know every to show everybody what you feed do. All right, but if they want to contact you on top of social media and everything, how people go to reach you now?
Okay, if you want to contact us on top social media, if you follow us on Twitter, drofficial101, and can also on Instagram, drofficial101, and on Facebook, dr.
Okay, all right, okay. Still on that level, because they see plenty of pictures them online. Yeah. I show my mama one, I can't warn now. Because no, our parents, they say, no, see, I know how old, though. What you can do, I can still do. They know they agree. I call to my mama one day, I say, see this boy, see what they do. Say, I want to go try out. I say, no, I still need you. You are never born. Maybe you see my grandchildren. You see your grandchildren first before you come out. But any which ways, their performance right now, una go see them, and they will not go anywhere. All right, but Mona no don't try for us. So if you're not flexible, not try them. Not try them because super glue for bone, not the market. Not go try yourself. All right, so quickly, we'll go on this break. By the time we come back, we'll continue on top every. For those of you now, we send the word of the day. We will tell now who the winner for the word of the day be for the one we dropped yesterday. All right, so Izzy Beat will take us out now with the comeback.